Hi, my name is Tevin and I am the recreation leader over here at Old Town Neighborhood Center. And over here we offer a Kids in the Kitchen program. And to give you guys a little bit of an example of what we do today, we're gonna make pancakes, everybody's favorite breakfast. And over here, as you can see, are a couple of the ingredients. We have the Hungry Jack pancake mix, we have some syrup, supplies, we have the skillet, cooking oil, and we also are going to make turkey bacon. It's a healthy alternative for kids and adults alike. And let's get started. As you can see, this is our finished product. We thank you for watching our video, and we hope you learned something from this. And
Catch you next week.
cheers.